Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that fits here in the kitchen. I want to talk about grease for the kitchen. Now I know I've talked about grease for other things, but I'm talking about cooking grease. And basically, and you guys can correct me and put it down in the description, I know of only three greases that use in the kitchen. Number one is lard. Number two is tallow. And number three is comes from fowl, like turkeys or chicken. You know, the chicken grease, chicken fat and stuff for cooking in again. So now someone will say, well, what about the can of Crisco? That's a grease. No, that's not a grease. That's a vegetable oil shortening that's been processed and everything else. Okay, we're talking about healthy stuff here, all right? And some people are going to go, well, wait, lard's not healthy. It's a lot healthier than any of the oils and other greases like Crisco that you can get because it's not processed and providing bad stuff. And the same thing goes with tallow, which is from beef. They're both healthier for you than that processed crud that the food industry has been pushing off on us. All right, so think about it. Experiment with it now while things are good, well, semi-good, where you can actually, get some, work with it, experiment with it, and learn how to use it. All right. Now, if you're saying, that's not for me at all, fine, that's not for you. But there may become a time where you may need to learn it. All right, before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to a video that I think you'll be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here for other prepping concerns. I'm going to put a playlist over here on my Prepper Pantry. And I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound, where I do gardening and homesteading. Take care.